Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome again. In this video, I'm back with a very important topic. In one of my previous videos, I already discussed the importance of listening and how to improve your listening skills. And if you haven't watched that video yet, then make sure to watch that video. The link is given in the description box below. Now, in order to improve one's English, do you think only listening is needed? No. With listening, we also need to practice our speaking skills. Speaking is also very important in order to improve our English. Now, I'd also like to suggest some very important tips with you all. In your knowledge, whatever vocabulary or how much grammar knowledge you have, start speaking with that, okay? At first, don't think about improving your vocabulary or grammar. I think you all have a list of words, right, with yourself. So start your speaking practice with that. For example, listen to me. I am speaking and you are able to understand me, right? But am I using a lot of hard words? No, I'm not. But still you are able to understand me. So this is what you also need to do. When you are speaking, just use easy words. At first, try to use easy words, and then if you want to improve your vocabulary, then think about that, okay? And also grammar. But at first, with your vocabulary knowledge and grammar knowledge, start your speaking practice. Now comes the question that with whom will I speak in English? If you have a partner, if you have an English speaking partner, then it's absolutely brilliant. But if you do not have one, then well, you always have a mirror at your home. So you can actually practice your speaking in front of the mirror. It actually helped me a lot. And there you can also do another thing, that is, at night before going to bed, just think about what exactly you did that day. Okay, try to speak it out aloud. Everything. I cooked lunch, then I went to office. Whatever you have done, try to form sentences and speak it out aloud. And you can do another thing, that is, suppose you're sitting in your bedroom and try to describe whatever you are seeing in front of you. Okay, so I have a mirror at my right side and I have an almirah where I have kept my clothes. I'm watching TV right now. So try to describe these, okay? Describe a painting. Suppose you see a portrait, try to describe that, okay? Try to describe what is going on around you. But remember, you have to speak it out aloud and form sentences, very short sentences at first. And like this, start your speaking practice. Now, whenever you get free time, think in English, okay? Try to make this a habit, like try to think in English. I know that you'd probably prefer to think in your mother tongue. I know we all actually prefer to think in our own mother tongue or a language that we are comfortable in. But just try to make this a habit. At first, it will be difficult a little bit, but then gradually it will become a habit, I'm telling you. And please remember this, that we are just learning English for our need as an extra ability. If you do not know how to speak in English, then it is nothing to be ashamed of. Alright? If you do not have any economical problem, and suppose you do not have a partner at your home and you want to talk with some English speaking partner, then there are a lot of online paid apps on the internet where you can actually practice your speaking skills. I have also used some of those apps, and I also have a lot of videos of the conversations on those apps on my channel. One of my favorite English speaking app is Cambly. You all also asked me some questions in the comment section regarding Cambly, on how to use Cambly, or how will I book a session with a tutor in Cambly. So Cambly is basically an app that provides one-on-one English classes with native speakers from countries all over the world, like USA, UK, Canada, and many more. So with the tutors, you can actually practice your English speaking skills. And over here, you can also discuss some grammar topics with the tutor, or you can also use it as to improve your vocabulary. And if you talk about me, then I actually found this app Cambly very helpful, and it actually benefited me a lot. I can understand that my confidence has improved, and right now when I listen to the older videos, I can see how much I have improved my English and of course my confidence. And if you use the coupon code LIVELYLIFE on Cambly, then you will get 22% off on any 3-month plan. The link of the Cambly app is given in the description box below. So at first, you need to download the Cambly app. There is a link in the description box of this video. Click on the link and download the Cambly app. So first, you need to sign up with your email ID and password. As I have already signed up, so I have just logged in. After signing in, you will be able to see this screen. And over here, you can get 10 minutes free trial lesson. So here are 4 buttons as you can see in the bottom of the screen. And over here, you have to click the 3rd button. And here you will find a lot of different types of courses like professional development, business English, and IELTS speaking course. So at first we have to subscribe. We have to click on the 4th button at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on that button, you can see the first option is subscribe. So first we have to click on the subscribe button. So as you can see, this screen appears. Here different types of plans are present, like as you can see 30 minutes per day, 15 minutes per day. I personally prefer 15 minutes per day. And after this you can choose between 1 day per week, 3 days per week, 5 days per week. Suppose I choose 1 day per week. Now go to the bottom of the screen, and in place of promo code, if you use the coupon code LIVELYLIFE, then you will get 22% off on any 3-month plan. And as you can see, 22% has already been deducted from the total course fees. Now you need to click on the select plan option. And after that, you have to complete your payment procedure. Now you can choose the tutors by clicking on the 2nd option from the bottom of the screen. The tutors on Cambly are very kind, friendly and supportive, who will help you improve your weak areas without any judgment. To give you an example, let me show you a part of a conversation that I had with a very lovely tutor.
Hi, your name is Adrija? Am I pronouncing it correctly?
It's Adrija. J-A.
Okay, Adrija. Is that correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Lara.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Adrija, how old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Okay. And what city and what country are you from?
I'm from India, and in India I live. So these were some points and tips that would probably help you to improve your speaking skills. And believe me that speaking is actually very important in order to improve your English. If you listen for months and months, still you will not be able to speak in English fluently. So speaking is actually very important. Alright, listening is the first priority. Of course, listening is very important, but with listening you also have to practice speaking. Alright, with the help of these two, I'm sure that you will be able to improve your English speaking skills. So this was for today. I'm going to be back with new such English related videos soon. If you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye.